born to be free.
Take it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Working with. Go ahead, be gone. With those hips. Go ahead, be gone with it. Make me smile. Go ahead, be gone. Go ahead, child. Just sexy up. 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 Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Good mo- Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Happy Monday. Where's my music at? How's my music? I mean, good morning. That's my music. Oh man, guys, you already know how it goes, man. When I don't stream for a couple days, you know how things get. Everybody, I hope you had a good weekend. Hello. Hi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And guys, Bitcoin is getting its pump on. And perhaps, Bitcoin is getting its pump on because of the solar eclipse thing. I don't know, man. I just work here. I'm not like a moon boy. I'm definitely not an astronaut. So I don't know what's going on with the moon thing. A lot of people are talking about the moon thing. I got a call from Jabs earlier. Shouts out Jabs. He's like, yo, bro, you got to catch this thing. So maybe that's why. Maybe that's not Jabs in the chat. Shouts out to Jabs. But listen, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the calls that we get. We're going to talk about these long positions that we're in because I'm in multiple positions. Where am I? Oh, hold on. I got actually the wrong thing. There we go. There we go. Oh, now I'm not. Oh my, now I gotta fix this again. Guys, I am goofing today on these camera settings and everything else. I'm goofing. I'm sorry. Listen, guys, huge shouts out to Market Cipher, which we're gonna be talking about today. Okay, because Market Cipher actually predicted this move. So we're gonna talk about Market Cipher. These are my active positions right now. I have too many longs to just have each one. Like, so I'm just gonna give you the unrealized for both of my Mexi accounts. These are the current positions. But before we do any of that, where are my manners? Razor, what's up, brother? Good afternoon. I guess it's not the morning anymore. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel, my friend. I hope you had an amazing weekend, and I hope you are blessed. Shouts out to Rendell. Good day, everyone. Please smash the like button on the way in. Guys, here's the deal. Every 100 likes I get during my live streams, I do a giveaway on one of my 4 boot camps that I have available. Premium content, and I give them away to you for free. Okay, we got 4 boot camps here, so make sure you smash the like button, but only if I have provided the value. Okay, if I did not provide the value, then do not hit the like button because we got to be fair, man. I got to be fair to you guys, and you guys got to be fair to me. So if you don't like the video, then don't hit the like button. But if you do, then really do it, so it helps support me very much. So Chris Davila, what's up, brother? Matt is in the chat. Rahard's in the chat. What's popping, everybody? Dak is in the chat. Jet is in the chat. Jet wants the mod. Yo, I can't give you the mod right now because this chat thing, like, I can't click your name because it pops your thing up. But I'll give you moderator after, bro. I got you. Don't worry. Shouts out to Matt. What's up, bro? Smack says, let's get it, G. Food Forest got that money song flavor going on. Man, nobody roasted me today. It was kind of disappointing. Party Boy, which is actually my second account, by the way, full disclosure, says Gio's my president. Yo, Chris, don't get pissed. What's up, bro? Gio is fat and short. You wish I was fat, bro. Gio is yoked. Gio is short, but Gio is yoked. I definitely can't golf, I'll tell you that, but I can make money in the charts, so I'll tell you that. Can't play any sports, sucks at video games. There we go. Polar, what's up, brother? Pedro, what's poppin'? Robert Jones, what's poppin'? And Naked Geo on the moon. That is a pretty fire intro. Thank you, Drew. Welcome back, my boy. Naked Geo on the treadmill. Yo, Geo, what's poppin'? Why do people ask if Geo is short or long? Geo is short 24/7. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Zach says we're pumping. Yo, we're pumping. We're on the treadmill. We got a moon going on. Chris Davila says he's down 4K trading. I'm getting a plane ticket to Canada to get a personal training from you. Oh, man. Listen, I'm not the trainer. I have a trainer. The trainer's in the Discord, so hit him up. But you know how it goes, man. Welcome, everybody. Moon thing, the only moon thing you're interested in BTC is going up. Stuck in the hospital trying to give some views and likes. Oh, man. I'm sorry, bro, if you're in the hospital. I hope everyone is okay. Hope you're okay and your loved ones are okay. No pencil next round. All right, guys, we're gonna talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. Alex was popping. Jet was popping. Josh says disclaimer. Okay, I'm gonna hit the disclaimer real quick before we begin. Christ Cal, what's up, bro? How you doing? Steven Chris, welcome back, bro. I'm sorry for the issues we had in the Discord. We're gonna get that sorted out hopefully by the end of the day. Basie's pop is in here. What's popping, bro? Is it short? No, these positions are long. I'm actually not currently in any short positions right now. Listening while priming a basement. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. All right, guys, listen. Before we begin, you already know how it goes. Disclaimer! Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. And the solar eclipse is fake. Okay? So, anything that you hear, what is this? Anything that you hear in this live stream, don't take it seriously because none of it is real. Guys, I'm like getting some problems with my camera right now. I don't even know. It's like pointing out. Anyway, whatever. I just work here, man. I just work here. Guys, no time to have you lurking. Shouts out to Rihanna. Shouts out to Riri. Riri, if you're no longer prego, come to Toronto, girl. All right, listen. Riri, listen. I can have a future for us. Look, we're up like 6K, 7K. I got a future for us, baby. Don't worry. I'll take care of the bills. All right, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about what's going on. Yeah, let's talk about what's going on. Yim Yim. I don't know how to say your name, bro. I'm sorry, but it says, yo, shout out your third live stream here. Well, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome. I guess welcome. Welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, bro? We got to talk about Bitcoin right now. Okay. So where I left you on Friday was an interesting place, okay? And then we're going to go over it pretty quick. Nothing really happened over the weekend that we didn't expect. Well, actually, nothing happened that we didn't expect. We are absolutely long on the market, as you can see by the positions. We are thriving, and we are chilling. We are chilling. So, let's talk about what's going on, and let's talk about when I left you, where I left you, okay? Guys, is the volume an okay volume? Like, are we good with the levels right now? Are we chilling? Are we good? Hi, baby, says Gio, I can't get your Discord using the link in the description. It requires verification. Well, the Discord does require verification. So you got to get in and you got to put your phone so that you can get in, because we got to stop the bots. But the link in the description should work. If it does not work, I'm going to ask one of my moderators to create a new link and post it now. If you can do that for me, please. Signal, what's up? Jew, what's up? All right, listen. So, yeah, I do have positions, bro. I got many positions. We're going to talk about it right now. So, listen. This is where I left you, okay? Here's where I left you. Over the weekend, or on Friday, we were down here, okay? And we were looking for longs, and we were saying the price is going to pump. We were saying that we were looking to take out these rather ugly highs, okay? And if you remember my more macro levels, so let's talk about it, because this is one of them. Well, let's go ahead and pull up my swing positions, okay? We got 2 potential swing positions that we're looking for right now. Obviously, they are shorts, and this one has now been mitigated. So, what we're going to do is, where it got mitigated, we're going to change the box here to mitigated, okay? And we know that this is a valid giga short zone. Now, is it going to hold up? Well, if you read the text, it says, be very careful here, because we are very much so, this is my SFP template, because we are very much so, like, we're very close to the all-time high, okay? And so, when we looked at Market Cipher, okay, I was talking about Market Cipher on Friday. We were talking about how we were getting some green thick, like some thick green money flow here. The thicker, remember, the number one rule when it comes to Market Cipher, if you're new here, guys, if you're new here, listen, I'm sponsored by Market Cipher for a reason, okay? The number one rule when it comes to Market Cipher that I created is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And currently, right now, on Market Cipher B, we have very thick money flow on the daily time frame, and we have a cheat sheet entry that we entered actually here on the low. We are long, guys, from literally, I'm not even joking, literally the exact low, okay? So if I come to my BTC updates in my VIP Discord, I was given some long levels, and we absolutely smashed the longs from the exact low, okay? I also gave a swing long trade setup on my YouTube for free 2 weeks ago while I was in the airport on my way to Miami. I made an emergency video so that I could give you guys the trade setup, and it absolutely played out perfectly, beautifully. We're on the daily time frame. The position was from somewhere here, and the target, the first target, was actually this high that we took out today, okay? So it was this order block that we just changed to mitigated. So what is going on now? Okay, we're in the green, okay? We're in the green. We know that we're getting a strong impulsive move to the upside. We know that we're in this potential giga short zone. We're not shorting it right now. We need to see our confirmations, but we know we're in our giga short zone. But more importantly than that, remember, guys, every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And so while we were looking at zones to potentially giga short, we had a couple of zones potentially in mind. We had this guy, and we had this one is going to be a rough draft, okay? It was like something like this. We had 2 short zones. One of them played out perfectly, and we had somewhat of a decent dump to the downside. Fine. We also longed here at the lows. Cool, right? We're not gonna. We don't need to get so much in detail because it already happened. A and B, we already talked about it. But we had this zone here, and if you guys were here on Friday for Friday's stream, you know that I was saying we have right now 3 potential zones that we could be looking to short prior to the all-time high. These are rough drafts, okay? But prior to the all-time high, we had this guy here, which was a very strong order block. This was a very strong order block, as indicated by this, not massive, but, you know, decently sized move to the downside of 5%. We didn't even have any market structure confirmations while coming into this order block, okay? And we actually had inducement on this order block, which you would remember if you were here on Friday. So what happened? Okay, we had a strong order block. We had a strong rejection from it. Then we came up with market cipher money flow continuing to increase. So although we did get a couple scalps yesterday, and also, by the way, we are also scalp short in my VIP Discord, and I'm gonna run you through that today because I called it out perfectly, and I actually exactly told you when I entered. So shouts out to the people that are in the Discord. But we had a strong rejection, but it wasn't strong enough because we never really swept any lows. But nonetheless, we were looking for shorts in this position. And then yesterday, while we were ranging here, we were saying, yo, this is gonna break out. Now, if you were here on Friday, you know I was talking about building, like you guys know I build a narrative every single day. So I was talking about what would happen if we broke this one, because this order block was a very weak order block, okay? And so I was saying that if we can get above this level around $70,000, I don't even think this order block is gonna do shit up here at 71.7. This zone, I didn't think it was gonna do anything, and as you can see, we absolutely just shot right through it, okay? So we're gonna delete this because it's already old news, and we're gonna delete this because it's already old news, and we're gonna talk about the current one that we're in right now, okay? Remember, we had 3. The first one broke. The second one, I was like, we're probably going to honestly just rip through it. No shorts here. We had no confirmations as well. And now comes the third one. Now, the thing with the third one is we're very close to the high, okay? But we haven't taken the high yet. There's a lot of liquidations above the high, which we know. And because it's another all-time high and it's a solar event and there's like a bunch of hype around it, whatever, this becomes a very manipulated zone. We don't, despite what you might think, we do not have clear skies to the all-time high right now. We are finding resistance here over the past few hours because we are in a place where smart money is in the picture, okay? So there's no Fibonacci's here. There's nothing like that. No retail patterns. You guys know I don't trade retail like that. But we absolutely have smart money involvement right now. And this is, whether you want to hear it or not, a giga short zone. Now, objectively, market structure doesn't look too hot on these like midterm time frames, okay? Because the 30-minute time frame right now, we have up, we have down, we have up, SFP, and then we have down. So we are actually in bearish market structure right now currently on the 30-minute time frame. This is absolutely a short signal while you're coming into an order block like this. However, I'm playing it a little bit safer because we know that with these solar eclipse and these massive news and whatever, we are absolutely able to have some crazy manipulation here, okay? We know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, like I opened up the video with, or the live stream with. And we know that on the daily time frame, we don't have our spike wave yet, right? We don't have it. We didn't get that divergence. Now, is it possible that we reject from here for a little bit, come down and take liquidity, right? Yes, absolutely, it is possible. This is definitely, in my non-financial opinion, 5'2 3/4" opinion, not the time to long, okay? Unless you're scalping. Which brings me to my scalp trades for the day. Guys, in my VIP Discord, which if you're interested in joining, you get access to my trading network, which everybody says that it's the greatest, that they have the greatest network, but mine actually is, and I'll tell you why. Because I actually give a shit about you, people give a shit about you as well. Because I employ this rule where if you're an asshole, I don't need your money, get the hell out. People actually are there to help each other, and it's a very toxic-free network in a very toxic kind of industry, right? Crypto is weird. Crypto is super sketchy. Crypto is, everyone's condescending. Everyone's an asshole. If you're in a losing positions, they're like, oh, how are your shorts? How are your longs? We're not like that, okay? So you get access to my network. Not only that, but I give you guys multiple updates a day. I give you scalp updates. I give you video updates. I give you live streams. I give you everything that you're looking for, okay? And so I'd like to illustrate to you right now, this is what you get, okay? So People this morning were asking me, yo, Gio, what's up? We're in this zone. Should we short? And this was the current structure here at the time. And I'm like, guys, there is no trade right now until the green line or the green line, until either green line are tapped. Cool. Everybody in the Discord chilled. They sat on their hands. What happened? We tapped that high again. I decided that I was going to shoot. See, I'm shooting. Said it right here. I'm shooting. And, you know, we had some quick profits. All three of our take profits got hit. Okay. I'm still currently in that short in a very small position. Maybe 90% of the position is out. I haven't taken profits on the long just yet, but I might, depending on how price action kind of unfolds itself here. But nonetheless, the point of me bringing this whole Discord thing up right now is I'm in here in the trenches with you guys. So you get VIP live streams. I don't want to say you get calls because I don't always tell you when I enter, but I always tell you what I'm looking for. I update this thing 15, 20 times a day. And, you know, we got some like testimonials here as well. I want to actually show you guys how I want to show you the network that you can get involved in, okay? If you decide that you want to join, the link is in the description down below. But let me show you why we're different here, okay? I want to show you why we're different. And it's going to be right here. Look at this. So someone asked, shouts out to Joey, okay? This Joey guy, he's new to the Discord, okay? He joined 5 days ago. So he's new to the Discord. He joined the VIP. You know, he asked the question and he's like, sorry, I'm pretty new to price action. You know, I don't, sorry for the stupid question. And I jumped in right away. Never apologize for asking questions. Guys, you guys ask me questions all the time in the VIP. And listen, don't take my word for it, okay? I have an entire testimonial section in the VIP. So if you're curious, go check it out because don't take my word. I'm biased. Like, I'm going to tell you it's the best. But don't take my word for it. Go like check the testimonials. And actually, if there are any VIP members here right now in stream, if you could do me a solid and drop some fire emojis or something, or say something about the VIP for that like social proof. But this is what you get, man. And so this is what I said. I'm like, never apologize for asking questions. I wish I had someone to answer all the questions when I was learning because absolutely I did. Like, it took me a long time to get here. It took me a long time and it took me a lot of money to get where I am today, where I'm able to give these sniper entry calls and these longs and these shorts and this, that, and the other. So, you know, that's what I said. I'm like, you know, I answered the question and, you know, shouts out Matt. Bro, this is the reason why I'm here. People like you are a blessing. Thank you very much. Kudos. You're an incredible person finding time for all of us. I try to do as much as I can, man. It's a really good environment. It's a really good network. It's a really good community. And like, it's very simple. If you're an asshole, you're out. Okay? If you're an asshole, you're out. It's very simple. I don't fuck with that. I don't like that at all in the slightest. Okay. So we took the scalp short. We're 95% out of the scalp short. Well, what now? Okay, what now? What do we do now? Thank you guys. Thank you guys for all the social proof here. Get the pay sorted out, man. Today's kind of the only problem. We're having a bit of an issue with it right now. But yeah, I'm just saying. We're working on it. Shout out to Nonstop Ty. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Man, thank you guys. He is not lying. Can confirm. Booting out some toxic people. Yep. Anyone that's toxic, we're out. VIP is legit. A lot of knowledge. We also do VIP streams, man, where I do like Q&As, by the way. By the way, Q&A is Thursday. Hello. Thursday night. We're doing Q&As. Is it better than Jason Casper group Discord? I can't answer if it's better or worse. It's not the same. It's similar, but it's not the same. And like, it depends, man. If you like the way I trade, because I don't trade like Jay, then mine is better. If you like the way he trades, then his is better. You know, I don't know. I can't really speak for that. Tesla Man says people that do that are annoying and can't understand that being in a short and a long at the same time. I just ignore them. If someone presents an idea to me, I'm open. Yeah, man. People like are super condescending, bro. Like, yo, all the time. All right. Gio's a beast. Thank you guys. VIP is gold. True story. VIP is life changing. Bro, wasting no time in treadmill. Yo, I just got off the treadmill at the gym and I'm like back at it again. Because hello, top 1% we're trying to get to, okay? Not just in finances. I'm trying to get like top 1% in all realms of life. Are there big money players in VIP? People make some big money. I don't know. I mean, people post their percentages. Obviously, like everybody's at a different pace, so I can't sit here and say that some are, and also like big money is subjective, right? Like I'll tell you this, I'm up 7K ish right now, and these are my biggest positions, like my biggest earnings that I've had. But we've had somebody in the Discord back in like August in one short make 250 grand. So I've never made money like that, but in one trade anyway. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of subjective. All right, let's continue what's going on with let's get, so you guys get that, like, you get it personal, you know. Ty here said it best, man. So first of all, I know your names, I know your voices. I don't even need to see the screen, you know. I'm in there as much as I can. And yeah, I mean, it's fun. I used to trade by myself, and now I trade with you guys, so it's really good. VIP is very active. Yeah, I update like 10 times a day, honestly. Okay, so look, what's going on right now? So, okay, look, we know that the money flow is thick, okay? We know that the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. We know that on market Cipher here, we also have thick money flow. Does that mean that we can't come lower? Absolutely not. If we come lower, I will be looking to longs. I will be looking to add to my longs 100%. Okay, now we have, so I entered this long as well. I'm also swing long from way lower. So I'm way chilling. And like I said, I haven't taken profits yet on the swing longs, okay? I've taken profits on the scalp long that you're seeing on the screen here. I've taken profits on that. And I've taken profits on the short. Like I said, 90% of the short, I'm out. However, for the longs currently as they stand right now, I haven't taken profits on the swing longs, and the reason why is because I'm targeting the all-time high, just because of the simple fact that the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. The daily time frame on market Cipher B right now is absolutely looking like it is ready to give us a spike wave, okay? A spike wave, because objectively over time we have money flow coming out as we're putting in those divergences. We already know how overextended we are. Let me hide these positions so we can have it a little bit cleaner. We already know how objectively overextended we are on the daily time frame, okay? We already know this. We've been talking about this for a very, very long time, how overextended we are, but we do have thick money flow right now. Locally, we do not have that divergence that we're looking for. So what might happen next in the like mid time frame like point of view? Well, we know that the daily time frame takes obviously a day to play out, so you might get something like this, okay? We might get something like this, where we get a wave like this. Money continues to come out of Bitcoin over time, where this would be a spike wave if we are to get that, and then we could have our move to the downside. As we know, we have those divergences over time. That is one possibility. Possibility number two, and these are the possibilities that if we take the high. Possibility number two would be this. There are two types of spike waves, right? There are money flow. If the money flow and the momentum waves are diverging, that's one. But what we could actually be seeing here is this guy actually being our spike or our set wave. And by the way, guys, if you don't know what these definitions mean, then I have an entire playlist on Market Cipher on my YouTube channel, so go check it out. But this might be our set wave, and we might get something like this, where we get another wave of divergence. So I don't know when the halving is. The halving is like April 20th or something. So perhaps over the next week and a half, 2 weeks or so, we might get something like this on market Cipher B, where we will get continued divergences over time. This will be our 1 tap, this will be our 2 tap, and this will be our 3 tap. This will be our giga short spike wave, okay? Now there's a couple things that we need to know about where we are right now, and I'm gonna be making a video about it today. Also very important to understand what's going on with altcoins. So if you don't know what's going on or what might happen next, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my video, because I'm going to be making a video right after I get off stream right now. But if we get this on market Cipher B currently, which is what I'm looking at, very much so believe that we can get this. Not only will we have a Model 1 distribution, a Wyckoff schematic, but we will have a spike wave on the third wave here. And what I'm looking out for right now is, remember, this is our all-time high, okay? This is our all-time high. If we start to range, if we break the all-time high and we start to range here, okay, this is not actually a bullish thing, right? This is actually a very bearish thing, because what we might be having right here is our range, okay? We would have our range. Let's just do red, fine, for our range. Or actually, we would have our range, okay, and then we would have our manipulation. This one will be red, and then we will have our extension, okay? So this is what I'm looking for right now, and this is very possible. Whoever is telling you that Bitcoin may not touch 50K again is absolutely lying to you. We know we're overextended. We know we might get those divergences over time on the daily time frame. I don't know why my treadmill stopped here. We know we might get that, but right now things are looking up, and right now things are looking like we're going to take the high. So we should be looking for every long possible, as indicated, as I've been saying for the past like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, even on the channel. So this is what I'm looking for right now. And when we are in this zone right here, we need to very much so pay attention to altcoins. Okay, so again, I'm very excited to make a video about this, which I'm going to be making today. So like I said, hit the subscribe button. But this is currently what I'm looking at today. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I think it's going to happen. I've been saying for basically since we put in this high a couple days ago, or a few weeks ago, that this doesn't look like a high to me. Okay, it could have been a high, but the market just said nah. Why did the market say no? Well, first things first, we had the ETF like narrative the whole way up. Okay, and market cipher was the price was completely disrespecting market cipher and everything else. Price just wanted to go higher. As you guys know, we broke the cycle, so we took the high before the halving, right? And now we have continued, I'm not gonna say FUD, but I guess like FUD in the opposite direction where we have the halving, right? So the question remains, well, is what's happening right now? Is price being held up right now because it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event? Well, it's not a rumor, but we know that the halving is coming. We know that historically the halving has been bullish, but we know we're overextended. So if we start to get that manipulative range above the high, oh man, that could be a serious giga short down to these lower levels that we've been talking about for quite some time on the channel. So we're going to keep an eye out for that. Of course, I will keep you guys updated on that as well. But this is what a high looks like, right? You have a nice wick and then you have a can follow through to the downside. This nice wick follow through the downside retest. Right now, what we have on the weekly time frame doesn't in the slightest look like a high. This does not look anything like this, right? And so that was another clue, in addition to market cipher, which is the only indicator that you need, in my opinion, that we were going to come up and take the high again, because the highs don't look that good. They didn't look that great. We're super close to the high right now. So why do we need to put emphasis on this order block? Like, why am I not closing my positions if the 30-minute time frame flipped bearish, as I mentioned? Well, it's because we're so close to the all-time high. These don't look like good highs to me, and I do think that we absolutely have the gas, the juice to continue higher. Okay, in addition to that, to add to our final narrative before we move on and stop talking about BTC here, and I can start answering questions on this recovery of this green vector candle. We have a pink vector candle right now, which is indicating that smart money transactions are starting to slow down. However, this pink vector absolutely can come and get recovered at a later time. So that's why I've taken profits on my scalp positions, but I'm still holding the swing longs from down here. All right, let's answer some questions, because I just built a narrative for you guys in real time. And by the way, guys, we have 155 people in here. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And every single day, as I mentioned, I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And I do giveaways for every 100 likes that I get. And it's mutually beneficial because I get the giveaways and I get the likes. So we have currently 154 people in the stream. God bless all of you. Thank you for being here. But we only have 64 likes. So do me a solid and hit the like button for me. If you, only if you enjoy the content, of course. All right. Elicio, that's a sick name, bro. Says, don't worry about the money. Think of the percentages. Absolutely, man. I 100% agree with that. If you want to make money, don't focus on the money. And the best analogy and the analogy that I give all the time about this is think about like LeBron James or your favorite athlete or your favorite singer or whatever. They didn't say, oh, I want to be a millionaire. Let me learn how to play basketball. You know, Tiger Woods is like, oh, I want to learn golf. Like, I want to be a millionaire. I'm going to play golf. No, he became a millionaire as a result of him being good at golf, and trading is no different, right? The byproduct of getting good at golf or getting good at trading is the money. If you focus on the money, you're going to get rinsed. So very good advice. Matt BT says the biggest win in the Discord for me is Geo and the fam. Oh, man. Mad love to you, brother. I appreciate you. Tyson says, how much margin do I usually put in a trade? You mean, do I usually put in a trade? Or do you put? I don't know how much you put. Gramps enters the room playing the... I don't remember how that even goes. I asked you guys what that song was yesterday, and I don't even remember how it goes now today. All right, Rahar says, the reason why VIP is awesome is because Gio genuinely cares about everyone in there. He answers a lot of questions. Man, I try to do as best as I can. I know what it's like to lose and be alone. Like, that's the worst thing, man, is when you're alone. Like, you don't know where to turn to. You try to ask for people. You try to ask for people's help, and people are so snobby, and they think that like they're better than you. I'm here. I tell you guys every single day, I am not better than you, okay? Listen, and I say this every single time I do a giveaway. My OGs know, okay? The ones that are returning know. I say this every single day, which is, it was not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to learn this game. I say it every time. I'm not any better than you. If I could do it, why is it that you can't? Like, you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So, man, like 100%. I know what it's like to be alone, and losing when you're alone is so ass, man. It's shit. And also, after a big move, we gotta allow the low time frames to flip bearish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And after a big move, we typically range, and Bitcoin lately has loved to range, right? Like, even here, just on the 4-hour time frame, you could see. I'll draw it out for you. There's like a billion ranges on the screen right now. Look. You know, we pump, we range. We pump, we range. We pump, we range. We dump, we range. We dump, mini range here. Mini range here. Mini range here. Bigger range here. Mini range here. Look how many ranges there are. So why not just range here for a little bit until we get a bigger range up here? Look how many. There's so many. And you could say, all right, man, these are ranges on smaller time frames for sure. But if you want to like say, all right, those are not really ranges. Everything on screen right now is definitely a 4-hour range. That I will tell you. So, I mean, you know, Bitcoin is trend right now. It loves to just range. It just loves to range. Can I do TA on total 2? I can. Total 2 is everything. Oh, excluding BTC. Whoa, have I ever done TA on this? Oh, baby. I must have done TA on this so long ago because I have never in my life used this template on Fibs ever. That's crazy. That is so crazy. I don't even remember ever pulling this up, literally ever. Negative pips to almost every trade, positive thanks to the VIP crew. Oh man, I love that, bro. I love to hear that, man. That's my favorite thing ever. Dak, I'm losing money every day. Please God help, bro. I could say this, like, if you're losing money every day, you don't need to get into a trade every day, man. If you're losing consistently, then practice until you can like get the game down, you know? Like, you don't need to lose every day to learn. But the problem is that you learn only when you lose. So what I recommend is, let's just say you're losing $100 a day. Like, go 1/100th of that position size. Like, make sure that you're only losing $1 a day and learn the game, right? Learn the game. Fact Flair is watching from India. What's up, bro? What's up, India? I'm glad that you're here, man. Thank you very much for spending the time with me. Gio said on Casper Pod he used 80. Yeah, man, leverage doesn't matter. Leverage doesn't matter. It's about position size. It's not about leverage. Your problem is you don't know the amount of margin to put in to make a decent profit. That is subjective, bro. That's not something that I know or you know, or like, what is a decent profit to you? Because like, for example, you can see my profits up here at the top right now, but that's nothing for Crypto Face, right? So it's all subjective, right? It's all subjective. How do I determine my position size? Very easy, bro. Very, very easy. Look, no matter what, every single trade, and I'm going to do TA on here in a minute, don't worry. But every single trade, no matter what, needs a clear invalidation, okay? Clear invalidation. So let's just say your invalidation is above this high, and let's just say you're targeting like this low. Let's just say hypothetically, right? Then you need to decide how much you're willing to risk on the trade. Some people do percentages. Some people do, well, actually, most people do percentages. I do unit sizes because it's easier for me to say, all right, I'm risking $500 or I'm risking $1,000. If this price gets hit here, then I lose $1,000, okay? So I will adjust my position based on, and you can do it on XC, like there's a slider. So I'll put my stop loss in before I open up my position. I have my stop loss here. I didn't open the position yet, and I change the slider until the number that when it gets here gets to like 475. Because of fees and stuff, I will consider that to be like 80 or sorry, $500. So I do it based on unit sizes, and as my account grows, I will adjust my unit size as it grows. It's basically another way to do percentages, but I don't like always sit and calculate the percentages. You probably should. It's better to do that. But that's how I do it, man. And then you have your target, and you should always be targeting, in my opinion, at least a 3-to-1. At least, okay? At least, right? Because that gives you some space to like take profit along the way and then move your stop loss to the entry while it's still being worth it. But the really good trades, which I teach you how to do in my boot camps, are where you can get like the 8-to-1s, 10-to-1s, you know, 15-to-1s. Those are the really, really good trades, which again, I teach you guys in my in my boot camps on how to do, and I do a boot camp giveaway for every 100 likes that I get on stream. So we're only 16 more likes away from me doing the giveaway here. So you might learn that. But that's how I do it, bro. Dude, do the order blocks need to be wicked or body closed to be mitigated? Just as long as price touches it, it's mitigated. Order blocks should not get wicked if it happens. Yeah, order blocks are allowed technically to get wicked, but they're stronger when they don't, obviously. 4 hour looks like it's ready to dump. Okay, let's check the 4 hour here. Let me come back to this in just a second. No, I don't think that the 4 hour is ready to dump yet. I don't think so yet. I think we could do this. I think we could go whoop, 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 and then like just range here and then break out a little bit later. That's what I think, right? But I think the 4 hours is still kind of fine. 47th will be the right one day. Oh, the right one. Yeah, let's go. Are we going lower from here, or should we look for another long? I mean, Victor, I'll tell you this, like, depends on how you trade, bro. There's no swing longs here, I'll tell you that. Even if you long from here and it goes to 80K, it doesn't mean that, okay, you were, I don't want to say you were right, like you won the trade, but it doesn't mean you were right. Like objectively, this is not the place to long. But it depends on how you trade, because based on the macro range of it, right? If you're on the macro range, you're definitely not looking to long, like we're in the high of the range. Why, like in the macro of it, you're not looking along here. But if you're super zoomed in on a 3 minute time frame, look, you're at the low of this range. We're at the low of this range, absolutely. So why not long here, right? So it's all subjective in nature. What's up, y'all? Like and subscribe. Let's go, baby. I mean, if you want to make $500 a day, you need to use $1,000 account, 500, 5K. You just got to learn how to do the portion size. Yeah, bro, it's very like dependent on your risk too, and it depends on how good of a position you can get, right? Like again, I'm gonna say this again. Let's just say, and this is a perfect scenario, so it's never gonna be like this, but let's just say below this wick is your invalidation. Okay, below this wick is your invalidation for whatever reason. Let's just say that's your invalidation. Well, you can put a lot more on the trade if you get a position like this as opposed to if you get a position like this. Right, so the better you get with TA, the better you get with market cipher, the better you get with market structure and order blocks and everything else that I teach, the better positions that you'll be able to get. Me Panchow says, I love your pump song, bro. Thank you, man. Do you mean the one that, because I'm out here singing every single day. Do you mean the one that I did for Jay? Like Jay came in and he's like, bro, can you pump it? What's my opinion on Cardano? I am gigalong right now on Cardano. Well, gigalong for me. I'm long like 90,000 Cardano right now. I'm long 90,000 Cardano. Looking for scalp. Well, we gave a scalp this morning in the VIP Discord, and we are still in that position. So this is my scalp. Right now, we are in that position. We did take profits on it. Stop loss is not at the entry yet, but, you know, why not? Oh, there we go. Shouts out to Jay. Guys, can we get can we get some ghosts in the chat here? Big shouts out to Jay. We were just talking about the pump song, bro. This guy's like, I love the pump song. There we go. There we go. Jet is literally banned. All right, Jay says, man, can we get a move or what? You were just live for 3 hours. Bro, listen. Jay, I owe you this one, man, because I let you, like, you took the hit. And now that I'm live, like, I'm praying, bro. I'm praying. You know how it goes, man. When the streamers go live, nothing happens. But as soon as we get off, things go down or go up and hopefully in our case here. Let's get some ghosts in the chat. Casper, the friendly ghost. What level of tier of trading view do you need while using market cipher? You actually don't need any level. You just need the beginner one because it only just counts as one indicator. So you need to purchase market cipher, which... how am I going to not chill it now? You just asked the perfect question. Guys, if you are looking to purchase market cipher, I do have an affiliate link in the description down below. Okay, if you use discount code TRADERGEO, you get 20% off. And if you open up a ticket and DM me the or message us the invoice, then you get either 1 month or 1 year free of my VIP, depending on the plan that you purchase. So free way. Oh man, why is this? I'm like really dropping the ball here with the camera today. I don't know. All right. Yeah. Let me do total too. I'm sorry, bro. I got distracted. Man, you guys know I have ADHD, bro. You guys know. You already know. Okay. Total 2. Let's talk about total 2. Okay. So total 2 is what? Everything except for Bitcoin, right? Excluding BTC. I mean, this kind of looks exactly like Bitcoin, but like a few hours delayed. I'm going to be honest. I've never looked at total 2 before, but I will tell you this. Right now, this looks bullish AF. And remember, I told you guys that later today, I'm making a video that is going to very much so emphasize altcoins, okay? Because despite what you may think right now, altcoins ain't it yet. It's not the time yet. Despite what you may think, look, alts are pumping. But I don't even know if we're in alt season yet. Like, Bitcoin dominance is still relatively up there, right? It's at 54. So total 2 is looking super bullish on the daily time frame. We definitely have some form of cheat sheet entry. I'm not going to pull up the EMAs because I don't need to. I can see it very easily. We have hidden bullish divergences here on the daily time frame, and we have very thick money flow, okay? On the daily time frame, that is a strong signal, right? Very, very strong signal. Right now, we're getting those green vector candles up to recover these red vectors. Fine. You might get a little bit of resistance here at 1.2 trillion, but just as Bitcoin is going to take the high, I imagine that total 2 will follow, because really what happens is whenever Bitcoin pumps, altcoins are going to pump as well. But you want to know when the alts are going to pop off? Then hit the subscribe button, because my video later today is going to tell you exactly when I think the alts are going to pop off. But I'll give you a hint. If Bitcoin ranges above the all-time high, like we were talking about how it may do, your alts are going to fly. And that is exactly when this is going to, give us that. So I'll say this right now, just based on, the chart and structure and money flow and everything. Yeah, money flow is coming out, but we know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And I don't know about you guys, but we don't got any divergences here. Okay, we don't know about any dips. So we're definitely, in my opinion, we're definitely going to come up and take the high. You might get a little bit of resistance, which is kind of where we're at right now. I don't really know if order blocks are a thing on total 2, if I'm being completely honest with you. But we are a little bit front running this guy here. But I don't know how relevant order blocks are on total 2. Actually, no, we're not front running anything. We're, I guess, a little bit front running. But yeah, total 2 looks like it's going to go, man. Looks like it's going to go. On the 8 hour, we got money flow on the rise here. Yes, if we take the high, we're going to have divergences, but that kind of coincides with us ranging above the all-time high if we take the high, right? We know on Bitcoin market cipher on the daily time frame, we have very thick money flow. We have cheat sheet entries. We know that the number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So what's to stop us from ranging up here? And what did I say? If we range up here and we don't continue to get follow through, it's not the most bullish thing. We know we're overextended on the daily time frame. And so if we come back to total 2 and we say, well, when total 2 decides to pump, which is likely going to be the same time that Bitcoin is ranging, if that happens, right? I'm giving scenarios. I'm not a psychic. I don't know anything for sure. But in the event that happens, right? If total 2 decides to get on the move there, well, then for sure on like the 8 hour time frame is where you can start seeing those divergences, right? Like we still have money flow on the rise. So what if we do this on the what if money flow like looks like this and we get this, maybe we get like this, right? This, perhaps something like that. And then this could be somewhat of a decent top, because remember, like I said, I do think that we are overextended. It's a little bit too soon to be talking about these lower levels just yet, considering structure is still on our side. But in the event that this idea happens where we start to range here, like this is easy liquidity to sweep, right? And if we do that, I mean, this low is probably going to go. And I mean, if we start to close candles below here, and especially actually, no, below here, like if we take the high again, 60K is going to be so important, because this is going to be the new daily low, right? Right now, the daily low is all the way at 30K. But if we take the high again, the new daily time frame low is going to be here. So if we start to close daily candle lows, if we range here and then we close a daily here, we can expect a lower high to then make a lower low. And at that point, in my opinion, sell the bags, man, because we're overextended. We haven't had any real retracements. Even like if you come to the daily, if you come to the weekly time frame, we dumped how much? Like 20%, and it doesn't even look like anything. It was bought up right away. So we have no significant retracements here on the weekly time frame. Like, this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. You know, even this a little bit, something. We haven't had that. So we just need to be aware. But at the end of the day, we're going to play every range for what it is. And like I said, I am gigalong right now. Okay, I'm gigalong right now. And yeah, I mean, let's go. Told you to long the 15 green dot. Told you to long the 15 green dot. Yo, we're chilling right now, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go pee real quick because hello. We're drinking. Thicker it is, more good things are gonna happen. Yes, sir. Can we look at Pepe coin? Yeah, we can look at Pepe. Okay, I'm gonna load up Pepe here. And then I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Give me like 2 minutes, by the way. And by the way, like I said, guys, we're at 102 likes, so we're absolutely gonna do a giveaway here by the end of the stream. And yeah, thank you guys for hitting the like button. I will be right back. I'm just gonna go. Give me like literally 30 seconds. I'll be back. Yo, does canceled have one L or two L's? What a stupid question. Does canceled have one L or two L's? What is the meaning of SFP? Oh, not Pepe. It is literally Pepe coin. Okay, while I load up Pepe coin. What the hell is Pepe coin? Oh my goodness, that is crazy. Okay, we can check this out. I mean, I'll try my best. This, like, I don't know, but I'll try my best. I've never even heard of this. You missed 2 seconds, bro. I had to go Pepe coin. Listen, does canceled have one L or two? Okay, we're gonna do. You guys are really gonna make me look it up? That's that shit. I'll take my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. Yeah, that's it. And I see you. I don't know if it has one or two. I'm gonna do two. Let's do two. And I see you the way I bring you in. Also, what time is the solar eclipse thing at? 3. Nice. I should have done 3. Badass bitch. All right, let's talk about this thing. Let's talk about this thing. How are the longs doing? Oh, the longs are kicking. Let's go. Pepe coin, the original Pepe years back when they had to let go of the ticker. And then a new Pepe took the Pepe. Yo, I didn't even know that happened, number 1. Number 2, that reminds me of Luna. And then like how they made like Luna Classic, which is fucking annoying. Because I had some Luna and then they changed it. And then I didn't have anything at the end of it. Oh, it's now? I'm in Toronto. I'm in Toronto, Canada. Wait, it's now? It's right now? Scared money don't make no money. Both canceled and canceled are correct. Okay. Thank you, bro. All right, I didn't know that, but let's talk about PP coin here real quick. So, I mean, look, this coin, as for this chart, is it like, do we have a better chart of it? I get my Pepe coin. Okay, no, if anything, that's even worse. Okay, Pepe coin. Bit get? Okay, that's also ass. Pepe coin. All right, we'll just do MEXC because I don't even know which one to use personally. Maybe Bittrex is better. No, that's definitely not right. Do I trade ETH? I do trade ETH. I am long on ETH as well. These are like cumulative. Like this is an ETH long and a Bitcoin long. Another long. Okay, we're gonna just do MEXC because I don't really know. I don't really know, brother. I don't really know, brother. Okay, wait, is it time? Should I go outside real quick? All right, let me do this real quick. I'm gonna tell you this. Look, if this is the coin that you're looking for, that was born on December 23rd, 2024. This, I don't know how to trade this. This is not at all enough information, in my opinion. You could try to trade a range, and right now, currently, we do have a range. But aside from like this range, I don't really know what to tell you. Based on market Cipher alone, this looks super bullish. I'll tell you that. It looks very bullish. We know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We still have thick money flow. We have a green dot on the 18-hour time frame. Right, daily time frame is looking super bullish. Money flow's all the way up at 60. So, look, this coin and a lot of the other shit coins are going to pump with Bitcoin if Bitcoin continues to pump, and especially if Bitcoin ranges above the all-time high, as we said. Aside from that, I don't really have any real TA that I can give. I mean, you know, we have our range, fine. You had a fib, definitely. This was a fib, 100%. I guarantee it. Had your fib right there, 100% guaranteed. And so, I mean, it looks good for a continued move to the upside. I would say that if you're long on this, if you can even go long and you're scalping it or day trading it, then you should take profit at the high. But I do believe that it's going to take the high. Unfortunately, man, I got nothing else to say aside from that. Pepe is the name of your dog. Bro, NASA is live? Really? I feel like, man, Jabs called me this morning. I'm telling you, Jabs called me this morning. He's like, yo, you got to lock in today. And I was like, with what? Like, I'm good. I'm chilling. What do you mean? Like, I sent in the P&Ls. He's like, bro, the solar eclipse is like one in every 50 years. Honestly, we might have to go check it out. How long have I been live for? 1 hour? Okay, give me 1 second. Hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta go see if the sun is out. Hold on. Bro, it is dead cloudy outside, okay? It is dead cloudy. Like, you're all scammers. The sun is a scammer. The moon that goes in front of the sun is a scammer. The solar eclipse, everything is a scam because the sun is there. Like, well, I mean, there's clouds in the way. What do you want me to look at? You want me to look at clouds? Scammer. Scammer liar confirmed. Nice and sunny. Jew, you got to take a picture and send it in the Discord, bro. All right. Yo, is there a 4-hour order block? On what? On Bitcoin? Yeah, there is. So we're watching this. We're watching this guy here. Wait. Actually, it might be an 8-hour. Yeah. We're in an 8-hour order block currently. And remember, look, this has an inducement, so we definitely shouldn't be longing like heavily up here. But when I was doing my TA, when we were talking about the potential order blocks that we might find resistance on, and especially at the beginning of this stream, we talked about the different order blocks and why some were a lot why some were a lot stronger than others. Yes, like we do have a valid order block here, and it does have inducement, and I would be putting a lot more emphasis on this order block if it wasn't so close to the all-time high. You know, so we are paying attention to it, but you're not wrong. We are absolutely in an order block. Canada weather worse than Chicago? Yeah, bro. Canada's the worst country in the world. Bro, what do I think? ETH is outperforming BTC and other alts. Okay, meat. This is what I'm gonna tell you, bro. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek for what my video is later today. Okay, I am posting a video talking about this exact thing. I was actually gonna post it yesterday, but I got lazy and I didn't make it. I wish I did, but I'm gigalong on Ethereum. Everybody knows that I'm gigalong on Ethereum. Everybody knows that I'm targeting much higher for Ethereum. Everybody knows that I've been talking about a $4,100 Ethereum. So I will answer that question on today's YouTube video. So make sure you hit the notification bell. Stir. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah. ETH new all-time high. Let's just say here, I will tell you this. If we come and twindle down, that's probably not the right word, but if we come and we twindle down to my Twitter, which by the way, my username is TraderGeo_YT on Twitter. You should follow me there as well. I'm going to show you why you should follow me. I post screenshots, I post VIP stuff, you know, here and there. I give a little clues on my Twitter, but I will tell you why. I posted the other day. It was a reply to this. I posted the other day. Look at this. So I posted. Make this bigger. You know when Ludacris goes, move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. So you know when Ludacris does that? That's what ETH is about to do. Anytime you want to long Bitcoin in the next month. And by the way, this was posted on April 4th. So 4 days ago. Anytime you want to beat long BTC over the next month, just long ETH. And you're welcome. You owe me 10% of the profits. So for you guys, because you're getting this information late, which is your fault, not mine, but because you're getting it late, you only owe me 5% of the profits. But to answer the question, and we're going to be talking about this on today's video, so I'm not going to go too extensive on it, but ETH BTC is starting to get a little bit bullish. Just saying. Just saying. We'll talk about it. We shall talk about it. Man, the Bitcoin are not, well, not just Bitcoin, but alts too, man. We are pumping, baby. Let's go. Ethereum is being sexy. I also have a swing long on Ethereum opened from last night as well. So, man, today's a great day. I don't know. I'm going to tell you guys right now, this is the most I've ever been in profit, like unrealized at any given time. I've never hit a 10-digit trade before, ever. I don't really count this as a 10-digit trade if it accumulates to it, like cumulatively goes to 10 digits, 5 digits rather. Sorry, I've never hit 10K in a trade. I'm gonna get that apple bottom jeans. It's friggin' hot AF. Rug it. Your Pepe's on fire. Let's get it down. How many people we got in here? We got 158 people. Beautiful, man. Thank you guys for spending the time with me here every single day. Appreciate y'all. Your alts are on fire. Guys, listen. Everything is pumping. We're looking for things to go higher. I'm going to make a deal with you. Actually, not a deal. More so an announcement. I have a lot of work I got to do today. A lot of behind the scenes shit. A lot of VIP garbage that's going down. It's the solar eclipse. Okay, everything is pumping. Tell you a little secret. I'm holding on to my longs. I'm taking scalps. I'm scalp longing. I'm scalp shorting. Shouts out to the VIP Discord because I'm updating you guys in there many times as mentioned. And again, if you don't believe me, the link is in the description down below. I don't mean to keep shilling my shit, but the link is in the description down below. So make sure you join even the free section. And check out the testimonials, man. People got a lot to say in here, so check out the testimonials. But we're gonna do this, okay? We're gonna do the giveaway, and then I'm gonna go make that video that I'm talking to you guys about, because that video will benefit you a lot more than me staying on live right now. So that's going to be our deal. Are we ready to do the giveaway? Can we get some fire emojis for the giveaway? If y'all are ready to do the giveaway. Ether's also hitting a 4-hour order block. Is your love tonight? All I need, yeah, is your love tonight. I do not see a 4-hour order block. No, I don't. We cleared an order block. I'm not seeing any order block though. Go stay. All I need is your love tonight. Yeah, we're getting some fire emojis. All right. Yeah, man, you guys are going to benefit more from the video, and I got work to do. So, I'm going to go, but we're going to do the giveaway first. So, you know, don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to all go to my YouTube. We're going to go to my YouTube. And we're going to go to my previous live stream. Which is this guy over here. And we're all going to go and we're going to comment. We're going to leave a comment there. I don't care what the comment says, okay? You could say, Gio, you suck. Gio, you're short. Gio, you're ugly. You want me to sing Bella Ciao? Okay. Whatever you want to say. Okay, I don't care. Actually, I lied. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pause the music. We are going to... You can write any comment you want, but then after the comment, you have to write Bella Ciao. Okay, you have to write Bella Ciao. I'm going to get my echo going. To get the tunes going. We're going to mute myself. So now you guys can hear me through the echo, like through the singing portal. You already know what's going to happen. Shouts out to 305. Mr. Worldwide to infinity. Get a bit of fireball. I was born in a flame. Mama said that everyone would know my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. 'Cause I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. You know what? Screw that. Go leave a comment. It has to have a fireman emoji or some kind of fire emoji, but fireman, fire truck. I'm on fire. Fireball. Hold on. Fireball. Shout out to Market Cipher, the sponsor of the video. Fireball. I was born in a flame. Mama said that I never did. Let's see if I can get a fireball and karaoke going down. Can we get a fireball karaoke? Ooh, no, I don't think so. Not without copyright. All right, but I will tell you this, because we have a fire. We actually have a really good song today. So guys, listen. How does the sound check go right now? Do I sound good? I sound good right now, right? I was born in a flame. Mama said that everyone would know my name. I'm the best you've ever had. All right, guys, everybody go to that video. Everyone go to that video, drop the comment, okay? Make sure you like the video. If you don't like the video, you're not going to get entered. If you're just joining us now, you are winning a chance to win one of my 4 boot camps. I have key zones and building a narrative, order blocks and liquidity, Markets Ever Be, which in my opinion is the hardest one, but it's a really good value, and complete boot camps bundle, okay? So you're going to have the opportunity to win one of these. Why does this camera keep moving? You're going to have the opportunity to win one of these right now if you go to that link and you drop a comment, and it has to have some kind of fire emoji or fireman or whatever. In the meantime, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the most fun crypto channel. It's not even close. Sorry, not sorry. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Go like it, baby. Let's go. Come on now. You already know how this goes, man. Chat, you already know. Let me spit this out. Come on now, let's go. Wine up on me, party girl. Wine like it's a carnival. Girl, you love the way that you wine for me. Girl, why you want emotional? Wine up on me, party girl. Yo, listen, I bet you none of you guys thought, hold on. We're gonna do that again because I didn't actually set that up properly. No bootcamp bundle, man. No bootcamp bundle. All right, let's put Bitcoin on the screen. We're gonna run that again. Is this auto? G-Pain! G-Pain! All right, let's get Bitcoin. We're gonna do this properly, okay? We're gonna do this right. We're gonna restart it. Guys, everybody go. Hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna do this again because I wasn't ready. I gotta get the lyrics up. All right? Are you ready? Yeah. Come on now, chat. Go like the video. For a chance for the giveaway, make sure you drop a comment with the fire emoji. And we're about to get Jamaican up in here. Ready? Girl, wine up on me, party girl. Wine like it's a carnival. Girl, I love the way that you wine for me. Girl, why you so emotional? Wine up on me, body girl. Me gon' burn your wine where your waist like for me. Shorty with the bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. You active, lazy. Girl, you a party animal. So how you want, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You come so good, you look so good, yeah. She took 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come for more. She take it to dance and come to dance floor. She start to brock like a soul. She did it, so cool. You know she suck me up, bitchy boy. She's sexy, beautiful. All right, we're gonna switch it up. Ready? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Yeah. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good. You look so good, yeah. Yo, man. Let's go. Baby, why you so emotional? Emotional. You come so good. You look so good, yeah. Wine up on me, body girl. Body girl. Shouts out to your daughters, bro. Baby, why you so emo? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one. Gone and me. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. No. Guys, how many likes did we get? Did we get the likes in? Did the likes come in yet? Did they come in yet? Let's see what we got going on here before we do the giveaway. Let us do the giveaway, mate. Do you know what I mean, lad? You're a fucking crab. Greater T.O. G to the E, yo! Guys, we've been killing it in the Discord, man. We've been killing it. All right, let's go giveaway. Yo, Gio, what do we have to do to get you on Crypto Wars? Yo, I don't know, bro. Tell them to hit me up. I'm down. Baby, you should let me love you. Maybe if they change it to Singing Wars, they'll invite me. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me love you. Come on now, let's go. Let's do the giveaway. We're going to do the giveaway. Bum, ba, ba. Ba, 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 da, ba, da, ba. Word. All right, let's do the giveaway. We gonna do the giveaway. Come on now. YouTube comment picker.
Young man.
I said young man. I said young man. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. You don't need to be unhappy. Young man. Ba-ba-ba-da-na-na. I said young man. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. I said young man. All right, guys. The winner of the giveaway. Hold on.
To have a good time.
Ba-ba-ba-na-na-na-na. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. All right, guys. The winner of the giveaway is young man. Where was this comment made? 2:16 p.m. That's it. Ramirez 6531. Congratulations, my brother. You are the winner of the boot camp giveaway. I need you to take a screenshot of your YouTube and let us know which one you want. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, get your kid on the beat. I said, we're pumping, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. No man does it all by himself. I said, young man, put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure they can. Everybody, I want to see YMCA in the chat. Give me the YMCA. Ready? It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. When and did it to me. When and did it to me. Yeah, young man. There's no need to be down. I said, young man. CA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. And eat this going to an all-time high, baby. Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said, young man, jamming out on the blues. I felt no man. Kid, if we were alive, I said, let's go, baby, we're pumping. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, yo, this is gonna be our new pump song, man. This is our pump song. Come on now. Come on. I'm gonna get you guys on the screen. Let me get you guys on the screen. Hold on. Let's go. YMCA. Fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. And they have everything for you to enjoy. It's your man. It's fun to stay at the It's fun to stay at the young man. Guys, thank you very much for another amazing stream. Thank you guys for a great stream. Congratulations to the winner of the boot camp. Open up a ticket. Let us know which one you want. Guys, I will see you later today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and I will see you on live tomorrow. Shout out to the Discord. Peace out, baby.
Set my heart on fire.